I find it interesting that every year, almost half of our annuity producers every year are brand new to annuities. We often say that we would like our agents to see the annuity team at Gordon as an extension of their team. So whether they're on their own out there, or whether they don't know annuities very well, whether they know them fairly well, we do it all day, every day. And so we love the fact that, week in and week out, we've got brand new agents with us that are just learning annuities for the first time, and we're helping them with that process. Would you say?
Yeah. I mean, every week I feel like I'm on the phone helping someone who's maybe who's never sold an annuity before. And they don't know where to begin. They don't know what maybe questions to ask. We have tools to help you get comfortable with that conversation, starting it, finding out what the client's goals are. So you can lean on us to be able to even get you started, even just with the initial conversation.
Yeah, and that's one of the most important things. We don't want you to miss out on opportunities to leave money on the table because you're not that comfortable with it. We can help you with that. We love it. We often say it often starts when someone calls us and says, hey, I've got a guy, or I've got a client, or I've got a couple. And then we can work with that person to say, okay, well, who are they? What do they have? How old are they? What are their goals? And we'll walk that agent through that. And that can really make a big difference. It's satisfying. It's one of the favorite things, one of our favorite things about what we do is helping people help their customers with this kind of stuff.
Yeah. So when you come to us with that stuff, we work to, design a case for that client, and then we'll put together illustrations, some strategy or ideas behind why it works and meets their goals. We'll take time to explain how the illustration works, how to present the illustration. I mean, I'd even gotten on Zooms and phone conferences with the agent and a client to even help sell it for them too. So, from start to finish there, of presenting it, all that, we're here for you.
Right. And I might add, as I'm hearing you talk about that, is that we pride ourselves on really identifying the very best solution for what you and your client are trying to do. We don't have some favorite carrier or featured product of the week or anything like that. We truly do identify the very best solution for what's going to help your client the most.
Yep. And then another thing that kind of can frighten agents, because it's kind of something they're not used to or may have never done, because if they never sold an annuity, is going through an application, understanding what boxes to check, how to fill out a certain page. What about suitability? All those different things that can be, a little cumbersome for a client or an agent to do. We can help you make it easier, help you understand how to be able to answer the question properly, so you don't have any problems when it gets submitted to the carrier. You can get approved much quicker then.
Yeah, excellent point. An application often these days are 25, 30 pages. It can be kind of intimidating, but we're here to help you every step of the way. And I think that's, I guess, the key is we want you to see Gordon, the annuity team here, as an extension of your team, and take us up on that, because you don't have to be expert to be able to really make a difference with annuities and the income you can make from them this year.
Yep. So with that, please reach out to us. We're here to help in any way we can, getting you started, going through the illustrations, selling it, doing the application. We're here to help. And with that, happy selling.